Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ivan Dunde. If you're new here, hello, thank you for clicking and welcome to this channel. So yeah, in this video we are going to be applying the Indian healing clay and the apple cider vinegar to our hair, to my hair. So this is everything that we are going to be using in this video. Some water, that's the Indian clay. We are gonna need our apple cider vinegar with the mother, that is the best, a mirror, some clips to clip our hair. I won't actually be using the combs, but yeah, it has so many benefits to your hair and to your face. So whatever that's going to be left, we are going to apply it to our face and let it sit for about 30 minutes. So what I want is to revive my curls. So yeah, let's get started. We are going to mix the apple cider vinegar with the healing clay, and so here we have this bowl and this for mixing. So we are going to start off with our clay. We are hoping this is going to be enough. And then you need to shake the apple cider vinegar. So guys, this is what we have. If it's not going to do what it wants, I'm going to add in a bit of the apple cider vinegar, but for now let's work with this. I think this consistency is very okay because it's a bit runny. You want it to be a bit runny. So this is how the hair is looking. We have these clips to hold the hair when we separate it, and we have some water because the hair is dry. So we are going to spray this to the hair. So the water is just to make sure that when we are working the sections, it doesn't break. Not really working, but when we are separating, because it's a bit tangled, it doesn't break. So guys, we have our sections ready. So I'm not even going to put this away. I am going to be doing it in bits. So I think this is too thick, so we are going to add a little bit of the apple cider vinegar, just for it to be a little more runny. And to this section, what I'm going to do is add a bit of water, spray a bit of water. So I'm just gonna remove the eye pencil and then apply this and let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes. let's wait for it to dry, and then I'll be back to show you how it looks, and then I'll also show you how it's gonna look after we've rinsed it out. So guys, it's been about 15 minutes thereabout, and oh my gosh, I feel like my skin is being pulled together. But I guess that's the work of the mixture. I guess it's working, that's what I would say. So yeah, and for the hair, all I see is my hair long, but I see some curl pattern, especially on this side. This side it was so thick, but on this other side it wasn't so thick. So on this side I could see so much consistency of my curls. I could see the curl pattern. So I'm just gonna go rinse it out and then show you how it's gonna look. I didn't show you how it cracks once it starts to dry. Once it dries up, it starts to crack, and you have to pour water on it so that it comes off. So guys, I'm just from the shower. As you can see, water is still dripping, and so this is how it's looking. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I'm going to use. I'll not be showing you the rest because I have done a video of how I moisturize my hair. So I'm just gonna apply this. It's a leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner. It's by Cream of Nature. It's the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. I'm also gonna apply leave-in treatment from Mikala, and here I have a blend of oils, different oils, like 4 types of oils, and my shea butter. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video, and make sure you subscribe down below. Thank you guys, bye.